but I'm a little bit concerned about why it looks like there's two pipes going in the bottom. So this has failed, so the customer wants to replace it. Got a like for like Marico 9.5, but I'm a little bit concerned about why it looks like there's two pipes going in the bottom of this. Oh, it's one pipe looped around for some strange reason. Only one screw in it. Sorry, that one. That one's been siliconed. That has just come off there. So I have to look at lengthening that again. Set the speed for elbow off here. Beauty about like-for-like swaps, same screw holes. I don't know what this is for. That's a joke. So water back on now. Get a live and neutral in and have a look at what I can do with this. So I'm now going to butcher the front cover of the new shower. Could use the old one, but it's a bit manky. All because of the pipe where it comes through the wall. I told the customer that they'll avoid the warranty this, but they don't want me to do out with the pipe, so I don't think I could do very much with it either. So I'm just going to core it out slowly and hope to God I don't split the plastic. I've cut two little slits in there. It'll almost look like Myra did it themselves. Look at that. Yes, joking. Replace the slide rail. Exact same screws. Obviously put the front cover back on. You've got a screw down here, two up top. That's where we had to hack away. Just got to commission it up now. Guys, so we're going to do a little test video on Rapid Blue compared to Loctite 577, both forms of liquid PTFE. So you put your, not that much, PTFE on the first and third threads, although I've done that in one. You wind on your fitting. Give it a little nip up. And wipe off that excess. Same with the Rapid Blue. First and third thread. Wind on your fitting. Give it a little nip. We'll give them both about an hour. I know Rapid Blue sets in 20 minutes. Not sure how long Loctite does. We'll see how you can part the two of them, which is easier if all are both the same. Give me an hour. Right, it's actually 3 hours later. We'll see how these part. So this is the Rapid Blue. Oh my God. That ain't for moving. Let's try the Loctite. Oh. That's that came off all right. So I still can't get the Rapid Blue off. What they say is you got to warm it up first. Easy. But as a price comparison, this 50ml bottle of Rapid Blue is around £7 plus VAT. That is approximately 25 quid. 50ml bottle again. So in regards to this set, do the deep monoblock sockets to get onto kitchen taps, but it is extra. It's roughly about £12. So So just here on routine service on this one. When you open the filling loop, it's buggered, but I haven't actually got a new filling loop in the van, so what I'm going to have to do is just replace it for a double check valve. So that's keeping it within regs, other than the fact it won't have its own isolation valve on it, and they'll have to fill it up through the cold water tap. They could still disconnect it, unless this failed, then it would obviously fall back, but this shouldn't fail. It's a double check valve. Like I say, it's within regs for now. If they want that changing at a later date, I'll have to pick one up and come back and swap it. I'll have to get some water out of this now. Got the front cover down, and here's the drain off on the Worcester. It's kind of like a quarter turn. Don't want to open that too full, it will just ping out here, and then you're in a bit of trouble. Little catch strokes, catch the board, so I'm just wary that that wire is pulling that down. Wasn't much in it anyway, and it stinks of inhibitor. Get that closed up and get that board back up. Just crack this off at the back. There will be a little bit of water in it. Oh God. Put a bit of paste on that olive and just yeet that on. Obviously noting which way the arrow needs to go, because this is a check valve, which basically means a one-way valve. Hopefully that'll work inside that. Soon find out. No more leaks. Get on with servicing this. Our next one we just turned up to is a really common fault, which is the fibre washer on the ball valve connection. Hopefully I'll be able to undo this off here. There's a bit of movement to pull it down to replace it. What has already been shut off. Problem is with this one is trying not to cross thread it when you put it back together. Flick that off. Hoping to God it's on plastic because it's just spun out the way. Try a rubber one out. Always give it the feel around test. You're gonna have a check in 5 minutes, so have a brew. As usual guys, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. If you're watching in a different country that is not the UK, this is your British summer absolutely peeing down. Catch you on the next one.